Guys, welcome back. Today there was another spoiler confirmed for the February Yes Oh Yes bag. Now remember, February is going to have a total of 7 items. Now here's the first spoiler. You will be receiving one of these beautiful brushes. Originally, we were thinking that this brush was going to be in the January box, but today it was confirmed to be in the February box. Complete 1 year of Yes Oh Yes and you'll receive a free limited edition box retailing over $200. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. As always, I will continue to keep you updated with any information that I receive. If you want 10% off your first box, use the link in the description below. As always, I love you and I'll catch you in the next video.